guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and trying on the viral handmade tentacle tights by TinkerCast. I've been trying so hard to get my hands on a pair of these tights for many years, but they are so popular that they sell out within a couple of minutes. But this time I was really lucky and managed to grab a pair. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First off, I want to quickly say that I love that this comes in a little bag, especially because this does have little tiny specks of glitter on it, so it's really nice to have something to keep it all together in nice condition when I'm not wearing them. I'm so nervous and excited for this. I love them! If you guys can't tell, I am a massive fan of the Space Tentacles dress from Blackmilk Clothing, and these just so happen to match perfectly. The detail on this is so good. I'm not sure what this material is. I think it might be perhaps silicone. These arrived so quickly. I only ordered these about a week ago and they came all the way from Germany. I'm so happy that they arrived because I get to wear these on the weekend over at DreamHack with this outfit. Let's try them on. Okay, you guys, when I say this is my favorite accessory ever, I really mean it. These are so beautiful. Look at the way that they sparkle, like, and the detail and everything. I now have to figure out what shoes I want to wear with it though. So let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. That's it for today's video. A massive shout out to TinkerCast for making this incredible piece of work. I love it so much. It's everything that I hoped it would be. I will make sure to link all of his information down below so that you guys can stay up to date with when his next shop update will be. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.